Hi, my name's William, and today I'll be presenting a mind map on Module 4, How Learning Shapes Our Behaviour. So we're going to look at classical conditioning today, which is shown in the top left here, and that's how a neutral stimulus becomes conditioned to exercise a response, such as visiting a dentist. So an unconditioned stimulus, or UCS, is a stimulus that naturally elicits a new response, such as getting and filling for the first time, which leads to an unconditioned response, or UCR, an automatic response to such a stimulus, such as fear, pain, anxiety, jerking in the seat, stuff like that, which then leads to the development of a conditioned stimulus, which is where previously neutral stimuli become associated with a response, such as getting a needle, like a flu shot, bringing up feelings of going to the dentist, and then a conditioned response, which is the learned reaction to the conditioned stimulus, such as feeling anxious in hospitals, phantom pain in teeth, stuff like that. So learning occurs over time. So at the start, we have the acquisition, which is the initial learning that the CS and UCS are paired and strengthen the CR. So, for example, when you go to the dentist, seeing a needle is associated with dentistry, and that strengthens the CR response. These learned behaviors can become extinct, where the weakening of the CR when the CS is presented without the UCS repeatedly over time, such as dental anxiety, decreases over time with more needles that are given without surgery, such as routine blood tests. You become conditioned to them being fairly normal and painless. And then there's also the phenomenon of spontaneous recovery, where recovery of a previously extinct condition response can reoccur, such as sudden pain in teeth when getting a blood test or stuff like that. So this comes down to the contiguity and contingency of the experience. So learning depends on the UCS and CS being close together in time for contiguity, and the learning depends that the CS is accurately predicting the UCS of the contingency, so you get that reinforcement. This leads to higher order conditioning or higher learning, where a conditioned stimulus is associated with a new unconditioned stimulus to create a new conditioned response, such as hearing a dental drill in a movie causes phantom pain in teeth because it was associated with dental surgery inflicting pain, and that's how they elicit a response in horror movies, for example.